By the end of this video, we will simply learn the proper recitation of the ayah.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
If you are watching my video for first time, I am Ajmal Siyam. I am a certified Holy Quran recitation trainer and do personal training and making videos about the recitation science of the Holy Quran in Tariq al-Shatibiyya, in riwayat of Hafs radiyallahu anh, in qira'at of Asim radiyallahu anh, as my Quran friend. Okay, inshallah. So without wasting any time, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون. صدق الله العظيم. As usually I say in every video, every harf's makhraj and sifat is our number one priority. Okay, we have to look about this every harf's makhraj and sifat. Is it okay? Is it clear? Only after that we can go further. قيل ادخل الجنة. The noon with shad, we have to give غنة here. قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون. The makhraj of ayn and the maddul arid at the يعلمون word. Let's recite this ayah together. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون. صدق الله العظيم. I hope you understand this ayah, learned this ayah very easily, and check out my channel. You can find previous episodes of this surah, inshallah. And dua for me, I will dua for you too, inshallah, and support me in this journey. Until the next video, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.